This video demonstrates how to use GenieAI to summarize clinical notes. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Go to Patient's Clinical Notes. Then, click on Summarize Note with GenieAI. You can set a specific time frame for the notes you want to summarize, or simply leave the From Date empty to summarize all notes up to the To Date. Next, prompt GenieAI to summarize for you. Lastly, click on the arrow icon to generate the summary. Your summarized clinical notes are now ready to view. Last but not least, here are some tips to enhance your experience when summarizing clinical notes with GenieAI. GenieAI will generate the summary from the clinical notes on the same page. Therefore, to improve the results, you can set the view to 100 rows per page, so GenieAI can summarize a larger portion of the notes at once. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest features and enhancements in RenalGenie.